Here we have a 2019 19-plate BMW X5 XDRIVE30D M Sport. Now on this vehicle you do get over £5,000 worth of optional extras. Now you do get the 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 22-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, yet the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind those as well. We have your LED headlights as well as the black kidney grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. We also have the blacked out styling, so you get the black roof bars, black wing mirrors, privacy glass on the rear and also the black window trim. We have a split fold power assisted rear tailgate, front and rear parking sensors and also a rear reversing camera. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and rear does look superb from every angle. If we go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have the full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest just in the centre, storage behind the driver and the passenger seat, ambient lighting with the brushed metal trim and also the BMW individual trim there as well. Looking into the front, full heated electric memory front driver's seat, very comfortable indeed. Now the passenger seat is just heated and electric, memory function just there, power assisted rear tailgate button, power folding mirrors, your electric windows, BMW individual trim with your integrated speakers and your ambient lighting just there, auto lights just down there as well. You have your virtual dash, screen just in the centre where you can find Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth Media and Bluetooth Audio, your rear reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors, satellite navigation and lots of other different features there as well. We have the BMW individual trim all around the interior of this vehicle, very nice addition to have. We have your 2-axle air suspension which can be controlled from just down there, different drive modes, and this is what you just control everything apps on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function, which is a very nice addition to have. As you can see just there, pop it into navigation and you can just see it there as well. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all the different specifications and optional extras that this vehicle has. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.